Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe. And today we'll be playing the online Jolly Charlie challenge. Does that sound familiar? You know what guys, let's just forget about that. Okay, first of all, let's just show oh my. Why is this writing so small? Let's do with a simple one. Jolly, are you real? You know what? Just a nice simple one. Yes. Charlie, are you here? Yes. Again. Yeah, this video's gonna be boring, I can tell. Charlie, are you nice? Yes. Okay. Oh, Grace, he's nice. You have to do the Charlie words in front of it. Let's say, are you nice? Let's see if you need Charlie. Yes. Oh, Shreen. Grace, Charlie's nice. Charlie, do you want to be friends? I know what he's going to say to this one. Oh, come on, you just want to be friends with me? No. Grace, he's nice, but he just want to be friends. 1, 2, you, no, 1. No. What do you mean, yes? Let's do that again. Yay! He changed his mind. He just want to be friends. Okay guys, he just want to be friends. That guy made me happy, so let's ask him another question. Charlie, are you a boy? Charlie. Yes, I am asking this question. Before I click it, could Charlie be a boy? You know what? I have no idea. Oh, he's not a boy. Charlie's a girl. Let's try that one. Charlie. He's not a boy, he's not a girl. Are you a girl. No. He's not. You know what, let's ask if he's a boy again. Charlie. Are you a boy? Boom. No, he's not a boy. And he's not a girl. Very confused.
You know that money I just got a best dressed? I spent it on a cheese hat.
Oh my god.
Yep. That's me.
For girls, Charlie actually put as a nickname for Charlotte or Charlene or
That's got nothing to do with Charlie.
or sometimes on its own. Oh, see. Okay, Charlie is another spelling.
You do realise that's still not the Charlie challenge, right?
What? Okay, he's not a boy and he's not a girl. Charlie, are you? Yeah. Oh, she. Yes, guy. Damn, bro. Damn. Oh, you're you, mate. Oh, yeah. Charlie, are you a human? Oh, no, he's not a human. He's not a human. Charlie, are you a... Goodbye. Are you a ghost? No, it's not a ghost either. Please, make sure you watch that. Okay. Charlie, are you a demon? Yes, guys, we finally got it. He is a demon. Yeah. I just forget what just happened at the beginning of the video. Let's forget about it. And I just do not know what to do. You know what, guys? I might as well just leave the video here because I'm like, yeah, that's how sad I am. Do let's ask him if he likes Momo, eh? So, do you like... Yeah, we need to get Momo. Yes! Oh, guys. Guys. He's friends with Momo. Yes! Oh my god, guys, he's thinking of a new plan. Soon. Charlie. 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 Oh. Cute. Guys, I don't know what he expects. I think he is definitely gonna say yes to this one. Because every challenge I do like this, they always do it. So, guys, it's gonna go up. Please just say if they're gonna say no. No. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. So thank God for. Guys, I don't know what to say now, guys. Beginning of the video, he said he's nice. Guys. At the beginning of the video, he said he was nice. I remember that. Didn't I? Guys. Charlie. Cash. You killed anyone. No, guys. He hasn't killed anyone. Guys, when I said, "Are you nice?" he said no. It was because I never had Charlie at the end, so. If I have Charlie at the beginning, he might say he's nice. But, yeah, guys. I just thought he's nice. Well, that's it for this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.